Okay, so Character AI just dropped something weird. You can actually watch shows on the app right now, like actual episodes. Then you can go chat with the characters afterwards. So let me just show you guys really quick. If you've opened your Character AI app this week, you must have probably saw this tab at the bottom of the screen. Maybe you didn't see it, or maybe you saw it but you just ignored it, right? So that's actually not a glitch. That is a brand new update on Character AI. It is called the Character AI series, and honestly it's kind of changes how this app is going to be. So right here, this is the library icon. Just go ahead and click on it like this, and it is going to open this way. So if you're not seeing all of this, you need to update your Character AI app so you'd be able to see this library icon and being able to access this section. Right here, the first thing you're going to see is the watch series. That is where the shows are. So looking right here on the screen, you can see the night games. That one is actually horror. You can see the last summer. That one is drama. And you can see Eden Fall. That one is basically Hunger Games, but make it a video game. But there's actually the twist that makes this even much more different from any other app you can actually think of. Now let's say you watch an episode and you are done watching the episode, or let's say you are scrolling. Character AI actually lets you to tap straight into the chat with the character from the exact episode that you just watched. So you should also note that this part is +18 only for now, but once you are in, you can ask the character stuff, bring up scenes from the episode, or just roleplay something totally new that never even happened in the show. So yeah, it's not really a show, it is a show that turns into its own chatbot the second the credits roll. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see another feature. This one is also new. Now looking right here, you can see another section here which says listening to audio dramas. That is actually called the Character AI FM. It was actually released one day ago as of when this video was actually recorded. Now looking right here, you can see titles like Super Talent, you can see Accidental Majesty, you can see Love and War, you can see Ellie of Atlantis. Some of these already have hundreds and thousands of listeners currently. And this is it. That's actually how you're going to move from just watching a full episode to sitting here watching a whole conversation with the main characters in like 2 minutes. That's really the whole point of this updates. They don't just want you to watch, they want you to stick around after watching it. So if they keep rolling out stuff like this, new updates on the app, I'm going to cover it. So if you don't want to miss out, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Accidental Fix. Now I'm curious, which of the shows are you going to check first? Tell me on the comment section, and tell me as well if you're actually having any problem with your Character AI app, and if you're actually a beginner, I've made a complete guide on how to use this Character AI app. I'm going to actually leave that on the top of this video or on the description of the video. So do well to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's always been Daniel. I'll catch you in the next one.